Sit comfortably, close your eyes, adopt Chin Mudra. We'll start with the invocation mantras. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Ganana Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् महागणपतये नमः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु आनो दिवो बृहतः पर्वतादा सरस्वती यजता गन्तु यज्ञम् हवन् देवी जुजुषाणा घृताचीषग्मान्नो वाचमुशती शृणोतु वाग्देव्यै नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Brush your palms. Place them on your eyes. Gentle massage all over your face, and with few blinks, slowly open your eyes. So this will be the last 20 verses of Lalita Sahasranama. Verse number 161. So repeat after me twice. Karya Karana Nirmukta, Karya Karana Nirmukta, Kama Kelitarangita, Kama Kelitarangita, Karya Karana Nirmukta, Kama Kelitarangita, Kanat Kanakatatanka, Kanat Kanakatatanka. So this is ta and this is ta. Okay. Kanat Kanakatatanka, Leela Vigrahadharini, Leela Vigrahadharini, Kanat Kanakatatanka, Leela Vigrahadharini. Whole verse. Karya Karana Nirmukta, Kama Kelitarangita, Kanat Kanakatatanka, Leela Vigrahadharini. Next one. Ajakshaya Vinirmukta, Ajakshaya Vinirmukta, Mugdha Kshipra Prasadini, Mugdha Kshipra Prasadini. Ajakshaya Vinirmukta, Mugdha Kshipra Prasadini, Antarmukha Samaradhya, Antarmukha Samaradhya, Bahirmukha Sudurlabha, Bahirmukha Sudurlabha, Antarmukha Samaradhya, Bahirmukha Sudurlabha, अजाक्षय विनिर्मुक्ता मुग्धा क्षिप्रप्रसादिनी अंतर्मुख समाराध्या बहिर्मुख सुदुर्लभा. So here the sound kh, dha and bha, these are the Mahaprana sounds. So you need to pronounce in that way. Then the next one. त्रयी त्रिवर्ग निलया त्रयी त्रिवर्ग निलया त्रिस्था त्रिपुरमालिनी त्रिस्था त्रिपुरमालिनी त्रयी त्रिवर्ग निलया त्रिस्था त्रिपुरमालिनी निरामया निरालंबा निरामया निरालंबा स्वात्मा रामा सुधा श्रुतिः स्वात्मा रामा सुधा श्रुतिः त्रयी त्रिवर्ग निलया त्रिस्था त्रिपुरमालिनी निरामया निरालंबा स्वात्मा रामा सुधा श्रुतिः. Next one. Samsara panka nirmagna. So the sound of Anuswara will be ma. Samsara. Samsara nirmag. Samsara panka nirmagna. So here it is a Anuswara. But because of the k sound, it has become the Anuswara sound is ng, nasalized ng, panka. Okay. Samsara panka nirmagna. Samsara panka nirmagna. Samudharana pandita. समुद्धरण पंडिता संसार पंक निर्मग्न समुद्धरण पंडिता संसार पंक निर्मग्न समुद्धरण पंडिता यज्ञ प्रिया यज्ञकर्त्री. So there is a r sound before tri. Yajna kar tri. Okay. Yajna priya yajna kartri. Yajna priya yajna kartri. Yajamana swarupini. Yajamana swarupini. Similar sound pr has a pressing effect. Same way, because this is a conjunct sound, swa, it has a pressing effect. Yajamana swarupini. Yajna priya yajna kartri. Yajamana swarupini. Whole verse. Samsara panka nirmagna. समुद्धरण पंडिता यज्ञ प्रिया यज्ञ कर्त्री यजमान स्वरूपिणी. This ru is dirgha, ni is dirgha, p is raswa. Next one. Dharma dhara dhanadhyaksha. Dha is a Mahaprana sound. Dharma dhara dhanadhyaksha. Dhana dhanya vivardhini. Dhana dhanya vivardhini. Dharma dhara dhanadhyaksha. Dhana dhanya vivardhini. Dharma dhara dhanadhyaksha. धन धान्य विवर्धिनी, विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा, विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा, विश्वभ्रमण भ्रमणकारिणी, विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी, विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा, विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी. Again, bhr is a conjunct sound. Vishwabhra. So pressing effect. Vishwabhramanakarini. All these pra sounds will have pressing effect. Viprapriya viprarupa. Vishwabhramanakarini. धर्माधारा धनाध्यक्षा, धनधान्य विवर्धिनी, विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा, विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी. Next one. Again, Vishwagra. Gra is a conjunct sound, so have a holding or pressing effect. Vishwagrasa vidromabha, Vishwagrasa vidromabha, Vaishnavi Vishnurupini. And the retroflex sh is expected. So with a dot underneath. Retroflex sh. Vaishnavi Vishnurupini. Vaishnavi Vishnurupini. Vishwagrasa vidromabha. Vaishnavi Vishnurupini. Ru is dirgha. Vishwagrasa vidromabha, Vaishnavi Vishnurupini. Ayo niryoni nilaya. This ra is half. Ayo niryoni nilaya, Kutasthakularupini. This ku is dirgha, long vowel, while this ku is hraswa, short vowel. Kutasthakularupini. Kutasthakularupini. Vishwagrasa vidromabha, Vaishnavi Vishnurupini. Ayo niryoni nilaya, Kutasthakularupini. Okay. Next one. Veera Goshthi Priya Veera. Veera Goshthi Priya. So this is a retroflex sh with a mahaprana th. Goshthi. So it is not t, it is not t, but it is th. Shthi. Go shthi. And Priya. So pressing effect. Veera Goshthi Priya Veera. Veera Goshthi Priya Veera. Because this V, Thi are long vowel, while Pri is short vowel. And again, this V is long. Veera Goshthi Priya Veera. Naishkarmyanadharupini. Naishkarmyanadharupini. Veera Goshthi Priya Veera. Daishkarmyanadharupini. विज्ञानकलना कल्या, विज्ञानकलना कल्या, विदग्धा बैन्दवासना, विदग्धा बैन्दवासना, विज्ञानकलना कल्या, विदग्धा बैन्दवासना, वीरगोष्ठिप्रिया वीरा, नैष्कर्म्यानादरूपिणी, विज्ञानकलना कल्या, विदग्धा बैन्दवासना. All right. Next one. तत्त्वाधिका तत्त्वमयी, तत्त्वाधिका तत्त्वमयी, तत्त्वमर्थस्वरूपिणी, तत्त्वमर्थस्वरूपिणी, तत्त्वाधिका तत्त्वमयी. So this dhi is short. This yi is long. But twa is long. Twa, तत्त्वाधिका तत्त्वमयी, तत्त्वमर्थस्वरूपिणी, सामगानप्रिया सौम्या, सामगानप्रिया सौम्या, सदाशिवकुटुम्बिनी, सदाशिवकुटुम्बिनी, सामगानप्रिया सौम्या, सदाशिवकुटुम्बिनी. So this is sau. It is not so, but it is sau. Au sound. Saumya. Tattvadhika tattvamai, tattvamarthaswarupini, samaganapriya saumya, sadashivakutumbini. Okay. Next one. Savyapasavyamargastha, Savyapasavyamargastha, Sarvapadvinivarini, Sarvapadvinivarini, Savyapasavyamargastha, Sarva. So this is Sarva Padvi. Yeah. Sarva Padvinivarini. N with dot underneath. So this is not ni, but nasalized sound ni. Nivarini. Swastha Swabhava Madhura. Swastha Swabhava Madhura. Dhira Dhira Samarchita. Dhi is long. Dhira Dhira Samarchita. Savyapasavyamargastha, Sarva Padvinivarini, Swastha Swabhava Madhura, Dhira Dhira Samarchita. One more time. Savyapasavyamargastha, Sarva Padvinivarini, Swastha Swabhava Madhura, Dhira Dhira Samarchita. R sound before Chita. Samar Chita. Next one. Chaitanyargha Samaradhya. Now here it is a gha sound. Gha. And this is dha. Gha joined with ya. and dha joined with here. So there is a difference. Chaitanyarghya and r sound before ghya. Chaitanyarghya. Chaitanyarghya samaradhya. Gha and dha. Chaitanyarghya samaradhya. Chaitanya kusuma priya. Chaitanya kusuma priya. Chaitanyarghya samaradhya. Chaitanya kusuma priya. Sadodita sadatushta. Sadodita sadatushta. तरुणादित्य पाटला. तरुणादित्य पाटला. सदोदिता सदा तुष्टा. तरुणादित्य पाटला. चैतन्यार्घ्य समाराध्या. चैतन्य कुसुम प्रिया. सदोदिता सदा तुष्टा. तरुणादित्य पाटला. Here is also retroflex sh. Tushta. Okay. Next one. Dakshina Dakshinaaradhya. Dakshina Dakshinaaradhya. Darasamera. Darasmera. So sa and ma are conjunct. But the holding effect or pressing effect will come before sme. Darasmera mukhambuja. Darasmera mukhambuja. Dakshina Dakshinaaradhya. Darasmera mukhambuja. Kaulini kevalanarghya. So there is a avagraha sound. Anarghya. But instead of that, kevala, we will elongate a little more. Kaulini kevalanarghya. Kaulini kevalanarghya. Kaivalya padadaini. I sound. Kai. Kaivalya padadaini. Kaulini kevalanarghya. Kaivalya padadaini. Dakshina Dakshinaaradhya. Darasmera mukhambuja. Kaulini kevalanarghya. Kaivalya padadaini. Next one. Stotra priya stutimati. Stotra priya stutimati. Shruti samstuta vaibhava. The makara sound of anuswara. Shruti samstuta vaibhava. Stotra priya stutimati. Shruti samstuta. Now this T is Raswa, Shruti. And Shra is a peculiar sound. Shruti. Shruti samstuta vaibhava. Manasvini manavati. Ma is a long vowel. Manasvini manavati. Maheshi Bangalakritihi. Visarga at the end. Maheshi, and she is hissing sound, not retroflex. महेशी मंगलाकृतिः मनस्विनी मानवती महेशी मंगलाकृतिः स्तोत्रप्रिया स्तुतिमती श्रुति संस्तुत वैभवा मनस्विनी मानवती महेशी मंगलाकृतिः. Ideally, the visarga sound is just the release of breath, Mangalakriti. Okay, but it's that habit of chanting of visarga kritihi. We all do like that, but ideally it is Maheshi Mangalakriti, release of breath. Next one. विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री जगद्धात्री विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री विशालाक्षी विरागिणी विशालाक्षी विरागिणी विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री विशालाक्षी विरागिणी प्रगल्भा परमोदारा प्रगल्भा परमोदारा परामोदा मनोमयी परामोदा मनोमयी प्रगल्भा परमोदारा परामोदा मनोमयी विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री विशालाक्षी विरागिणी प्रगल्भा परमोदारा परामोदा मनोमयी. The next one. व्योमकेशी विमानस्था व्योमकेशी विमानस्था वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी व्योमकेशी विमानस्था वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी पंचयज्ञप्रिया पंचयज्ञप्रिया पंच प्रेतमंचाधिशायिनी प्रेतमंचाधिशायिनी व्योमकेशी विमानस्था वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी पंचयज्ञप्रिया पंच प्रेतमंचाधिशायिनी. Next one. पंचमी पंचभूतेशी पंचमी पंचभूतेशी पंचसंख्योपचारिणी पंचसंख्योपचारिणी पंचमी पंचभूतेशी पंचसंख्योपचारिणी शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या. Lot of sh sound and shwa sound. Okay. Shashwati Shashwataishwarya Shashwati Shashwataishwarya Sharmada Shambhumohini Sharmada Shambhumohini शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या शर्मदा शंभुमोहिनी. Whole verse. पंचमी पंचभूतेशी पंचसंख्योपचारिणी शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या शर्मदा शंभुमोहिनी. श and shra, these are the two different sounds. Sha, shwa, sha, shwa, and shwarya. So need to be careful of this. Next one. धराधर सुता धन्या, महाप्राण sound ध. धराधर सुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी. धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी. धराधर सुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी. लोकातीता गुणातीता. This T sound is दीर्घ. लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका. सर्वातीता शमात्मिका. लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका. धराधर सुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी. लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका. And the next one. बंधूक कुसुम प्रख्या. बंधु, धू is long vowel. बंधूक कुसुम प्रख्या बाला लीला विनोदिनी. बाला लीला विनोदिनी. बंधूक कुसुम प्रख्या बाला लीला विनोदिनी. सुमंगली सुखकरी. सुमंगली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी. This dh sound is also mahapran. Suve and this sh is retroflex. Suveshadhya suvasini. Sumangali sukhakari. Suveshadhya suvasini. This kh is mahaprana sound. Dh mahaprana sound. And dh is mahaprana sound. बंधूक कुसुम प्रख्या ख is mahaprana sound. बाला लीला विनोदिनी. सुमंगली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी. Make sure that all sounds are pronounced in a correct way. Next one. Suvasinyaarchana prita. Suvasinyat. So after suvasinya, r sound will come before chana. Suvasinyarchana prita. Suvasinyarchana prita. Pressing sound and pre is dirgha swara. Suvasinyarchana prita. And prita ashobhana. So there is avagraha sound. Prita we need to elongate. Shobhana shuddhamanasa. Shobhana shuddhamanasa. Suvasinyarchana prita. शोभना शुद्धमानसा. One more time. सुवासिन्यर्चना प्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पण संतुष्टा बिन्दुतर्पण संतुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका. पू is दीर्घ sound. पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका बिन्दुतर्पण संतुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका सुवासिन्यर्चना प्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पण संतुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका. Okay. Next one. दशमुद्रा समाराध्या दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशंकरी त्रिपुरा श्रीवशंकरी दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशंकरी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशंकरी. So here ng sound of anuswara vashankari. ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी. Next one. योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुत चारित्रा. Again there is a avagraha adbhuta, but instead of saying that there is a avagraha, so anagha will elongate a little further. Anaghaadbhuta charitra anaghaadbhuta charitra vanchitartha प्रदायिनी. Vanchi. Now this cha sound and there is a anuswara, so it's a nya sound. In Sanskrit transliteration you can see this, but here it is na with this kind of a marking about n, above n. Vanchi, and cha is a mahaprana sound. Vanchitartha. Tha is also mahaprana sound and ra sound before tha. Vanchitartha, and because it's starting with pradayini, pressing sound. Vanchitartha pradayini anaghaadbhuta charitra vanchitartha pradayini anaghaadbhuta charitra vanchitartha pradaini. So pay attention to all the sounds carefully and try to pronounce them the way they are. योनि मुद्रा त्रिखंडेशी त्रिगुणांबा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुत चारित्रा वांछितार्थ प्रदायिनी. All right. Next one. Last two verses. अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी. Retroflex sh. षडध्वाती long vowel, ru long vowel, ni long vowel. Shadadhva, even this dhva, this is a horizontal line, dhva. Shadadhvatītarūpiణī abhyāsātiṣayajñātā षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिर. This ra is half. अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिर and mu is long vowel. Murtir. अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिर अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका. So even these nya, dhwa, ka, they are all long vowels. You have to give 2 snap of a time to all long vowel sounds. A is short vowel, 1 snap of a time. Nya long, na is short. Ajnanadhvantadipika. So we have to pay attention to each and every syllable. Rasva dirgha, alpaprana mahaprana, anuswara, visarga. So the whole chanting becomes meditation. And you are channelizing the pranic flow the way you are pronouncing the sounds. Avyājakarunāmūrtir Ajnanadhvantadipika. Dhva is a conjunct sound, so there again will be a holding effect. Ajnanadhvantadipika. Whole verse. अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वान्तीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिर अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका. And the last one. Abalagopvidita. Abalagopvidita. So it is not vidhita, vidita, alpaprana, vidita. Sarvanulanghya. A little complex word. Sarvanu. La is double. Sarvanulanghya. And now there is a anuswara, lang. So the nasalized n sound and gh and ya are joined together. Ng and ghy. Sarvanulanghya shasana. Sarvanulang. So nu is rasva. So take it quickly. सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना, सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना. Got it? आबालगोपविदिता, सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना. L is a doubled effect. Then next line. Shri Chakrarajanilaya, Shri Chakrarajanilaya, Shrimat Tripura Sundar, Su is Raswa. Shrimat Tripura Sundari. So I think in the whole Sahasranama, in the last verse, it comes that word. Shrimat Tripura Sundari. Shrimat Tripura Sundari. Shri Chakrarajanilaya. Shrimat Tripura Sundari. आबालगोपविदिता, सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना, श्रीचक्रराजनिलया, श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी. And then the last ending things. Of course, we haven't done the Purva Bhaga, Uttara Bhaga, the Falashruti. So it's a really, really long one. We have just touched all the 1,000 names of Tripura Sundari. Shri Shiva Shiva Shatyaikya. So here, Ka, Ta and Ya are joined together. Shakyai, and it's a I sound. Shakyaikya. Shakyaikya. Shri Shiva Shiva Shakyaikya. Rupidi Lalitambika. Rupini Lalitambika. Shri Shiva Shiva Shakyaikya. Rupini Lalitambika. Evam Shri Lalita Devya. Evam Shri Lalita Devya. Nam Nam Sahasrakam Jaguhu. Visarga at the end. Nam Nam. There is a Anuswara. Nam Nam. Sahasrakam. That is 1,000. Sahas, and it is not stra, but it is sra. Sahasrakam Jaguhu. Evam Shri Lalita Devya. Nam Nam Sahasrakam Jaguhu. But because Ja, the next word is starting with Ja, this Ma will change it to Na. Sahasrakan Jaguhu. Okay? Shri Shiva Shiva Shakyaikya. Rupini Lalitambika. Evam Shri Lalita Devya. Nam Nam Sahasrakan Jaguhu. Last time. Shri Shiva Shiva Shakyaikya. Rupini Lalitambika. Evam Shri Lalita Devya. It is not Daivya, Devya. Esam. Nam Nam Sahasrakam. Nam Nam Sahasrakan. No sound of Anuswara. Nam Nam Sahasrakan Jaguhu. And to end, so this is the Samvada, the conversation going between Shri Hayagriva and Agastya Rishi. Iti Shri Brahmand Purane Uttarakhande. So Shri Lalita Sahasranama comes in Brahmanda Puran in a Uttarakhanda. Iti Shri Brahmanda Purane Uttarakhande Shri Hayagrivagyastya, or you can say Shri Hayagriva Agastya Samvade. Shri Hayagriva Agastya Samvade. Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Kathanam Sampurnam. Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Kathanam Sampurnam. This pu is dirgha. Sampurnam. Iti Shri Brahmanda Purane Uttarakhande Shri Hayagriva Agastya Samvade Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Kathanam Sampurnam. Harihi Om. Okay. Maybe next month we can keep one session of chanting whole of Lalita Sahasranama. Okay. What we did is every session we chanted 20 verses. So I will put the date on the group soon. I can either do the first week or last week of December. I think 28th will be challenging, or you can do it. Yeah. And in case, is Friday any good for you guys? Because Friday is the day of Devi. That's why I'm just thinking.
That's fine. Friday instead of Saturday, I mean. Yeah.
Friday is good.
Yeah.
And what time? Because next month I'm in India. So UK time 11 o'clock is all right, or do you want to change any time?
No, because I would have to go to work for 9 o'clock my time. So if we
So
do
morning is
it,
good.
yeah.
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 So shall we keep it on 27th, last week of December? 27th December is Friday. UK time 11 o'clock. Huh? And that day, it will take around 45 minutes because we are not chanting it too fast. We'll go at a medium pace and we'll chant whole of Lalita Sahasranama. So till that time, you can also practice chanting, whole of Lalita Sahasranama or taking few verses each time. And when we chant it all together, it gives amazing effect at the end of it. Yeah, tell Wendy as well. Yeah, and I will put it on group as well. So, but yeah, sure, let her know. And I'm really grateful to you all because you were so consistent in all the sessions, and that shows your real passion and interest in learning these stotras. Amazing. I am very thankful and grateful to you for attending all the sessions regularly. Shruti, Penny, Rays were coming in between, but yeah, no worries. Thank you. Tell, more people if they, want to learn something like this. And from next year, January, I would like to know like anything in particular you're interested in learn, any stotra, any sukta, because still I haven't made up my mind like what to take next. So any suggestions from your sides are also more than welcome. So it's a, learning together. It's not that, I am well versed with all the stotras because there are infinite number of stotras and sutras, but this is how we learn together. So far we have covered, we started with Shanti mantras, Dasha Shanti mantras, then we covered few chapters from Bhagavad Gita, then we covered Shri Sukta, then Vishnu Sahasranam, now Lalita Sahasranam we have finished. Anything in particular, do you have anything in your mind? I just want to ask you, will you be interested? Yes, many I would like to learn. So, will you be interested in learning to chant Patanjali Yoga Sutras?
So actually, that is what came up in my mind, but I wasn't sure if if you would do that. Yeah,
Because that
potentially
is
sutras. Yeah,
on my mind, but I
yeah,
don't know whether you all are interested in learning
yeah.
it.
I'll be interested in
Yeah?
that. Yes.
Okay, great. You also tell me others, anything particular you want to learn. Put it on the group, whatever your list of things, you want to learn. That's how I will also come to know, okay, that, you're interested in learning this, that, and accordingly will keep taking up new things and each year will keep chanting them, learning them. And this is just the surface we have touched of Lalita Sahasranama, but each word, has its esoteric meanings and deep philosophy behind each word. So it is the study in itself. You can take up maybe Vishnu Sahasranam, Lalita Sahasranam, and learn its meaning, its philosophy. That is
Yeah.
another whole chapter to do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I also like to know more about the Maheshwarani Sutrani.
Mm,
That's of Shiva. Yeah.
yeah. So, yeah, that I haven't learned, but I will, request all of you to whatever is in your mind, put it on the group. So we'll just have that list ready with us, and that's how we'll keep uh, pursuing those things to learn, to explore. What do you think? Yeah. So shall we take up then from January Patanjali Yoga Sutras? Yeah.
I'm
We should.
never really listened to them or anything. So yeah, that'll be great. Thank you.
Okay. Put it on the group and we'll take it forward. So January we will be doing it. So this is December 27th, and then 11th Jan, second Saturday of January, 11th Jan, we will start with Patanjali Yoga Sutras. There are around 195 or 196 sutras. Again, this is the Yoga Shastra. These Yoga Sutras is teaching us the whole of Yoga Shastra. Amazing. If you will take up each sutra, I think it will take lifetime to learn each sutra. That deep and that the sutra means what? It is like loaded with meaning, practice, philosophy. So I think that's a good thing to start from the new year. Okay, so that's great. Sorry for today's a little late start, but now we'll finish with a Shanti mantra. So close your eyes. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् Thank you, and I will see you on 27th of December. Take
Thank
care.
you, Katie, for
Yeah.
everything.